Good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. We are doing a new video, and it is on a stock that we have done a video in the past. And actually, if you go back to that video, it came, whatever we were looking for actually did occur. So feel free to go back because the fibs on that video are very old. And all I did was update it to my new settings. So you will see the new fibs as I show you in a second. First of all, let's get it going and just show you this is Nike. NKE is the ticker symbol. Obviously, everyone knows Nike, and Nike is going through some stuff right now because it was a very, very good company during Jordan and Bulls and stuff. And then I don't know what happened in 2000, but yeah, until 2021, everything was peachy keen, and that was the top. And then since then, it's just been selling off. I think you have about like, what is this? 180 to 75, so that's like more than a 50% correction. And yeah, the main reason why I'm making this video is it is actually looking good to be a buying opportunity. So let's see where we would be looking for this if we wanted to accumulate. First of all, you are in a distribution phase, so that's why you're doing this like big descending channel, bull flag, however you want to call it. So this to me, this looks like this. You see? And then what do? You go sideways and then up. So this is like just a consolidation. It's just people taking profit, people getting scared, getting out. But there is going to be probably someone trying to buy it up, and you will see it in the volume. Right now, selling is actually trying to slow down on a monthly time frame, and you are coming to your most sexy average over here at around $64. So $64 is a decent price to buy, and you can also see the wick over here. So I mean, whoever did this buy hopefully is defending Nike at around $60. So $60 to $70 in that range, that $10 range, is a decent area to accumulate. All right, and you already see them trying to buy it up because these wicks on the bottom. If you do this trade, your ideal time to take profit would be around $91. So you're just in this sideways range. You're not trying to look for $5,000. You're not looking for or scared for it to go to zero. No, you're managing the trade in a $10 range. Basically under 60, you don't want to hold it. Above 91, you need to take some profit. Okay, that $30 range and then that $10 accumulation range where your risk is. So that's on this time frame. Now, I'm going to show you the fibs real quick. And the reason why I'm doing this on a monthly time frame is because this asset is very slow to move. So this is what I have for the fibs. When we originally went up, I was looking at that bottom part over there. When we originally came to a top, I was looking at this top over here. We're basically shook out both ranges, and we're kind of going in the middle because this asset is a long-term asset, and it's kind of trying to find where is its fair price. Well, around $100 for sure is an area of interest. So be aware that when you get to 91, don't sell everything. Sell like 50%, 80%, whatever you think you're comfortable with. Keep a little bit on the side with the stop loss above your entry in profit. And then you can look for a target of $100 and 117 because those are actual live targets that will happen. Once we get this monthly close here, and if this is the way that this closes, like a doji, we can set up new fibs like we did over here to look for where upside targets we can hope for. So that's what the goal is for this on a long-term basis, because this is a long-term asset. You got to hold this 5 years and stuff because it's one of those kind of one of those kind of stocks because it's probably not going anywhere anytime soon. If you go to a 3 month, this is like a generational buying opportunity. It's very scary to buy an asset when it's doing this, but you have to understand what it's doing. This is just coming to support. So I actually do recommend you keeping your eye on this. If you're a fan of shoes and stuff like that, like be aware that this is good. Sneakers are like pretty much collectibles. I see shoes going for like $1,000 plus. You're crazy. I don't know who's doing that like for things that they're gonna go mess up on like playing basketball, but whatever it is what it is. But the point of the matter, like I do like this. I do like this around 70 to $60 range, anything in this range is actually pretty good accumulation for you to get profit like around $100 out. And then you're basically buying the lows, selling the top, and whatever extra you have, if it consolidates in this sideways, you can rebuy with your profits as you see more support build, and then you could ride it up higher. You don't have to just like hold and pray. You can buy, sell accordingly. Just watch it on a weekly to see if it gets to your levels. So it does look good. Right now, it's basically waiting for a big buyer to step up, but it does look good. And here's your catalyst for upside. You have a earnings coming out in February 25th. More than likely, or sorry, wait, what? Okay. March 25th? I think that's March 25th. So it's like a month. If you hold a month, maybe it will rise up into the earnings, and then if the earnings disappoint, then sell off because it's already beaten up. So I don't know how much lower it can go before an earnings surprise. So just be aware that this is what I'm seeing. Everything looks good for long-term upside. This massive sell-off is a benefit to you because all the weak hands are out, and since it's on the bottom, you can probably buy a big chunk, and all the sellers are willing to sell to you at this price, like dying to get out, and you're over here buying as much as you can on discount. So this is advantageous for a buyer. This is why Buffett was in cash. He can buy this thing up right now, and he won't make that big of a splash until everyone knows that he bought it when he files his 10K. So just be aware that these market games are meant to make you feel pain emotionally. Don't feel for that. Don't fall for that game. Know your levels and manage your risk accordingly. If you were to take this long, you know your stop loss is under $60. You'll know exactly how much you're going to lose. There's no surprises. If you buy long this and you take your profit at 100, you have a plan then. Okay, you're taking a risk to reward. Oh, here I'll even do it because they have that stupid tool. Hold on. There you go. So just so you can visualize this and understand, oh yeah, it's set to 100, right? Yeah, whatever. A little bit under 100 ain't gonna kill us. Hell no, not to 40, to 60. Sure, 61. I'm not being perfect with this. I'm just trying to give you an example. You have like a risk ratio of 1.2. This would be better if it was 2. So 1 to 2, meaning like you're willing to lose half to make a double, and that's pretty decent. And that's just if it comes to this level. If you get a little bit more out of that last 20-30%, you can probably squeeze a little bit above 1.5 on the P&L, your R multiple. I don't know if you guys understand that, but yeah. It's a 3.0, not 1.0. 3.0, if you can get that long, not have your stop hit, you took this much risk for this much reward, and you had a plan, so that means you're a good trader, blah, blah, blah. Don't hold it all the way for this. Make sure you take it on the 100 and just hope that we can get to the higher level, because the best thing the market likes to do is like this, right? So even if you buy here, right, it can go like this and go like this and come over here and then slowly build the upside. So don't get, and then keep in mind, this thing is a slow turtle. We were looking at it monthly, we're looking at it weekly. This thing is going to test your patience. Be prepared for at least a month or two hold if you're going to do this for that upside push. More than likely it will happen if you're patient. All right? That's all I have for you guys today on this one. Please, if you guys like these videos, leave a like, subscribe, press the bell button for notifications so you get these updates. If you're interested in material like this, feel free to join our Discord server. Link to the server is in the description of this video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that I use and recommend that helps this channel grow. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day and trade safe.